Good morning guys, in front of me is Galaxy Z Fold5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select wallpaper and style and click on change wallpapers. And now you can pick some picture from your gallery, one from graphical wallpaper, color wallpaper or something from wallpaper services. For example, let me choose docs. Tap on download. So as you can see, wallpaper applied to lock screen. This is a dynamic wallpaper for our lock screen. I will show you how it works in a sec. Before I will just pick some wallpaper. Maybe that one. Just for home screen. Actually, this is the one that I currently have. Okay, so let me pick graphical. Let's choose this one, just for home screen. Tap on next. This is how it will look like. Tap on done. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this new wallpaper is covering your home screen, and the dynamic lock screen is also applied with docs as we set it. So this is it. So you can personalize home screen and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.